Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new vehicle to your account on the EasyPark application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on vehicles, which is the fourth option, and now click on add a new vehicle. Then you should enter the vehicle registration number into the first bar and then add a nickname to your vehicle. Tap on the save this vehicle button at the bottom of the screen. Here you should confirm the license plate. Tap on use this license plate, or if you have typed in wrong, then click on the change button down below and then it will be added. So here you will be able to find it in the vehicles section. As you tap on the more button, you can either edit its name or delete the vehicle by tapping on the delete button and then clicking on the yes button. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.